Alright, my push button just came today, and I installed it and everything, and it works great for the Mini Mag. It's pretty awesome in the. Let's see. I'm kind of sick, you guys. Anyways, you can't really see where the push button goes on because it's black, and I bought it because it's black, or I bought it the black one so it like matched the whole thing. And here's the inside. Hold on. Yeah, here's the inside of it. And I just took off the cap and the lens and the reflector, and I hot glued the diode in there. And the push button works great. I'll do it over on my wall. But yeah, and it's really nice. I like it. And yeah, it can light matches, pop balloons, light fuses. I'll probably do a lighting a fuse thing today. So yeah. And it's pretty nice. So, pull it back and make it big. But yeah, you just press it and it turns off. It's pretty nice. Alright, well, hope you guys like it.